Hello. In this tutorial, I'll briefly discuss key aspects of hourly weather data, demonstrate the process of importing custom weather files, and how to convert weather files for use in Designbuilder. The hourly weather data is set at site level under the Simulation Weather Data header of the Location tab. Designbuilder uses Energy Plus EPW format hourly weather data to define external weather conditions during simulations. Each geographical location has a separate weather file describing the external temperature, solar radiation, atmospheric conditions, etc. for every hour of the year at that location, or at the nearest available location. These hourly weather data sets are often typical data derived from hourly measurements at a specific location by local or national meteorological offices. More detail on the various weather data formats and file content is provided in the program help. The nearest weather file is automatically set when you select a location from the thousands of global locations available. Designbuilder comes with a large worldwide database of hourly weather data, but only the weather data for the default location is initially loaded. The remaining Energy Plus EPW files are not loaded onto your computer until you actually need them, which helps to minimize the size of Designbuilder's program files. The first time you require an hourly weather data file, it is automatically downloaded when you run a simulation, and it is then stored for use in any subsequent simulations. You must be connected to the internet to download weather data for the first time in this way. Hourly weather data from other sources can also be imported directly into Designbuilder, provided it comes in the Energy Plus EPW format. Weather data in other formats can be imported using Designbuilder's Weather Data Conversion tool. This tool can be used to convert other file formats and generate all the weather-related EPW, stat, audit, etc. files used in a simulation. The tool can be accessed from the Hourly Weather Data option here in the Tools menu. You can find more information on how to convert other formats to EPW in the program help. Any custom weather EPW file set in your model will be saved with the DSB file so that the model can be used on other computers without the need to copy weather files manually. I'll now take you through the step-by-step process of importing data straight into your model using the Design Summer Year, or DSY, file for Birmingham in England as an example. First, copy the Energy Plus format EPW file, and also the stat file if you have it, to the Designbuilder Weather Data folder, which can be accessed from the File Folders menu here. You can see that I have copied the two Birmingham DSY files into that location already. Click on the Simulation Hourly Weather Data file name and then select the Add New Hourly Weather icon in the info panel. I will enter the same weather file name into the Name field. Click in the area to the right of the file name to access the Select File dialog and select your file from the list. You will notice that some data from the file is now shown in the General tab. And if the stat file was also copied into the Weather folder, the required information from that file will also be visible here in the Statistics tab. Once all the information is entered, I'll click OK and the new file is added to the model data. Going to the simulation screen, you can view hourly values of the key weather data graphs or data form by selecting the Site Data option whilst at site level. Outside air dry bulb and dew point temperatures, wind speed and direction, solar position, atmospheric pressure, and direct normal and diffuse horizontal solar radiation are shown. In Display options, you can also view the data in grid or table form and export it for further analysis if required. This finishes our quick review of weather data in Designbuilder. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further information on the specific topics and wider application areas can be found in the comprehensive Designbuilder program help, other tutorials and webinars, and our on-demand training.